Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add money to Samsung Wallet from your cryptocurrency account. The first thing you need to do is to open Samsung Wallet. So you tap on the icon on your phone and then you log in with your Samsung account if prompted. Next, you have to tap the Wallet tab at the bottom and select Add Money or Top Up. Now, under funding sources, you have to select cryptocurrency. If this option is invisible, ensure your Samsung Wallet app is updated. Next, you select your crypto wallet provider. It could be Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Choose your cryptocurrency wallet provider. Next, you approve the connection via your crypto app. Next, you have to type how much crypto, that is Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, you want to convert. Samsung Wallet will show the equivalent in your local currency. Review the fees, if any, and tap Confirm. Wait for blockchain confirmation, which is usually under 1 minute. The funds will then reflect in your Samsung Wallet instantly. Here's a pro tip for you. A pro tip. Ensure your crypto wallet has enough balance before transferring, and double check the exchange rates before you confirm. Now, Samsung Wallet supports direct crypto integration with major wallets. This process is instant due to blockchain optimization in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful.